Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. And as a content creator, most difficult thing is to come up with new content every day, right? If you will agree, if you are a content creator, you will agree as well. Like not for a vlogging people because they can literally shoot everything in their lifestyle and show it as a vlog, but if you are like a content creator who produces video like me, now I am not diminishing the vloggers. Okay, I all obviously always respect them, but they have a certain kind of content and we have a totally different kind of content. Like in our section we have to make something new every day. Like tell, like suppose I have to tell something you about something to you about a new product or about a new idea or something about programming, designing and all. Okay, so that is kind of a thing. So today we have a website that does exactly the same thing, and it shows you the content ideas that is right now like having a great shares in social media. So let's get started and let's see what we have today. Okay. So here we have our today's product or website, that is contentideas.io. You can search here for your domains. Okay, like your domain of expertise, like programming. My domain of expertise is designing. Oh, yeah, I will search for designing. But rather than that, you have some featured categories and you have some news as well. I will not go to news because I'm not that kind of a person. Whatever, I will search for something like I can't see designing over here. DSIGN, let's search it. Okay, yeah, designs, let's search it. Let's see what we have. But these are the newses. Okay, wait. So let me search it. Related topics. Okay, we have those things, right? You can see they have prepared a curated list of most shared contents in social media, and there they have like listed the engagement of that and sentiment. So this is something that you have to keep in mind actually when you are creating contents, because detecting sentiment is a huge thing for AI, because this is obviously this can be done with a algorithm, but still it is not that much generalized right now, but it's great as you can see it over here. Then you have this share button, copy button, and keep it in pockets, so I think it's a bookmark button. And we have a tons of other things like design styles and like related topics. Let me search UI design as well. Okay, because that is my topic of expertise. Okay, related topics, yeah. Engagement in those topics are really bad. So here I have a content that I really finding great. So let's click on it and let's see what we have over here. This is from EX Collective. Okay, thriving in 2022, 5 essential trends designers and businesses, for designers and businesses. So yeah, this is kind of a content that you should look for, you should go for, right? And here you can see how many of the influencer have shared it. So this is really a great tool to have a kind of idea about what people are posting on your expertise, like expertise mere expertise nahi hai. Namita Thapar kind of moment, but yeah, this is a kind of thing where you can get what people are posting and getting engagement through from these related topics, like your related topic. Now this website is right now only searching the different kind of blogging format websites, because obviously I have opened UX Collective, and UX Collective is obviously built in Medium, so that is a Medium thing. Then we have Free Code Camp, and this is a documented tutorial kind of thing that I can obviously guess. And we have other kind of thing also. So this is more kind of in the blogging space area. Okay, as you can see it from here, and it will load more results for me. But in this particular niche there aren't too much engagement. Wow, this got too much engagement. That is 30, and sentiment is great. UX designs careers, how to get from junior to senior. Yeah, this is something I will also follow. Yeah, kind of a like, this is like, now this is clicking into my mind. Yeah, how they are relating all of those things. And they were giving you some of the side subcategories also, like CRO, conversion rate optimization, design, web design and development. Those are kind of the subcategory things. I actually really like them. Why mobile app ratings and reviews matter to conversion with adapt. Whatever. Why it matters is, oh, okay, but with Adapty, I don't know. I don't know about this Adapty platform at all. We have different kind of things. Yeah, I really like the concept that they are using. And here you can have tweet shares, Facebook shares, most shared, Pinterest share, and Reddit share as well. Okay. If I click on Facebook share, it will show me the Facebook share related thing. How can it be related to design? Wait. Oh, I haven't searched for any keywords. Let's click on more shared and let's click on UI design again. Let's see what same kind of thing are getting the actually this blog is getting too much engagement. Same kind of a list as we can see it over here, and we can choose from like which time zone or time area we want. If we want for last 30 days, last 60 days, like 90 days. Suppose I want last 6 months of data. So here we have 6 months. Yeah, 30 into 6. Yeah, last 6 months of data. Here we have the last 6 months, whatever got the most engagement. So here we have those contents. So yeah, really great website to understand the trend criteria right now. Now, sorry, extremely sorry. Now you may ask, we already have Google Trends to understand through analytics and graphs. So why would we need it? See, in Google Analytics, you search for certain key phrases, certain keywords. You do the keyword research kind of thing, and you get the analytics based on those keywords. But here you get actual content from which you can get the idea about uh, actually what thing you should produce depending upon the keyword that you are getting. Okay, I think I am able to explain in this one line what it is actually for, like best fitted for. So am I gonna use it? Obviously, when I will get out of my like ideas, content ideas, I will obviously uh move in here and search for some of them, because I also can't come up with different ideas every time. And let's see, let's make my next video from here as well. I can promise you that as well. Okay, so let's try it, right? So that's it for this video. Let me know if you're gonna use this website or not in the comment section, so I can understand what your likings and all. And if you use them, how you gonna use them, is it useful for you or not. Okay, please let me know about all of this, because I would like to have your opinion on it. And rather than that, if you know about some of the great kind of tool like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future video. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. That would be mostly helpful. And subscription is obviously free. I don't know why some people still think subscription in YouTube is paid. It's not. Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye.